everybody, welcome to this week's craft video. So you're gonna get all of the items that you can see in front of you, the tissue paper, the roots, the trunk, and the paper, and you'll also need a writing utensil and some glue. So first things first is you're going to take the trunk and you are going to put glue all over it. Lots and lots and lots of glue. And then you're going to stick it right in the middle of the page. Just like that. I kind of got glue on my table. And then you can do these steps in either order, but I'm going to do the bottom first, so I'm going to take all the tissue paper and I'm going to just set it to the side for now. And then I have all these roots. And so the point of the book is about people holding you up and helping you, and so on the roots I'm writing the names of people who help hold me up. And these are friends. I have my brother and my sister written down, and just people who I could see doing the things in the book with me that help hold me up and help hold them up. And as they are just like the roots. And so I'm just writing a name on each root. You could put family members, you could put friends, anybody who really inspires you and helps you to be a better person. And I put a name on each of the roots that I had. You could do more roots, you could put more names on each root, you could only do a few roots. Because sometimes roots there's only a few roots, but they're really strong roots, right? So you can really put whatever you want. I just used all of the roots I had, as all of those people were very important to me. And so then I just put glue on them and I stuck them down on the bottom half of the page and attached them to the trunk. But you can also have them like crisscross or however you really want. Mine all kind of went different ways, right? And so you could have a lot of roots or you could have just one or two and they're just really strong roots. And then I decided to do the top of my tree. And once again, you can really do this in either order, but this is just the order I decided. And so everybody will have some blue and pink tissue paper to make little flowers. I decided to put the flowers on first, but you don't even have to put flowers. It's entirely up to you. This is your tree, and so do what you'd like with it. And so, yeah, I just kind of bunched it up and then glued the bottom of it and then just stuck it on the paper to make some cute little flowers. And then it took me a few tries to figure out what was the best thing to do here, but I discovered the best thing to do was literally just cover the entire top of the paper in glue. And so you can see here that I'm just putting glue absolutely everywhere. That's the nice thing about using blue colored glue for these videos, is you can see exactly where I'm putting all the glue. I'm going to put some on the actual tree trunk too, and kind of just all over there. And then I just took like chunks and chunks of tissue paper and stuck them all down. And so you can do this however you want. I just took bunches and stuck them down. You could glue them down individually. You could cut them up into other shapes if you wanted. It's really entirely up to you. Because, once again, it is your tree. And obviously, eventually the glue started drying, so I had to put more glue on. And so as you're watching me finish up this craft, make sure that you check out the Storytime video if you haven't. Pick up the craft bag if you haven't picked up the craft bag. And send us some pictures of your creations to be entered in the prize draw for this week, because we really do enjoy seeing everybody's wonderful creations for things. And yeah, and hang it in a spot that you can see it all the time and remember the people that help hold you up. And so I just wrote on the trunk, thank you for holding me up, because it's what we were talking about in it. So you can really put whatever you want. You could decorate the background. You could put like little birds or animals or whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.